So this morning I got a delivery. Boxes and boxes of this stuff. And I've been waiting. It's from the printers, the short run press in Exeter. And I've been waiting for a couple of months. Right. And it's a new book. And it's called Nature, Supernature, the Recent Paintings of John Herford. And it's about 22 centimeters square. Inside it's got sakura end papers, sort of cherry blossom ones, very, very nice. And then, hang on, I'm going to put this away. And inside it's just got paintings and paintings and paintings. From 2006 it's got pages and pages of all the paintings I've done over the last, 15 years really. There's only one from 2006. Right up to my most recent work. I'm really pleased with it, the way it's printed is just, I just love it. Alright, right up to December 2020, alright, yeah, and a bit more. Alright, it goes up to 2022. And then I've got a section, my Alice in Wonderland paintings. And Through the Looking Glass, Tweedledum and Tweedledee. And then I've got my paintings from an Asian trip of the in the rainforest, and then psychedelic weirdness section, just the usual sort of messing about I do. Yeah, what else? Oh yeah, portraits and some drawings. Some drawings, and then I'm on to, I've just got a few more pictures, just a selection of kind of record covers and posters I've done in the fairly recent, these are. And then I've got description of all the paintings, a listing of all the paintings. Then I've got photos of me taking photos of for a painting I did at Greencombe Gardens in Porlock, and then just a picture of me last winter. Just as I was doing the book, I thought I better have one of me actually sitting there painting. So that's what that is. And there's 256 pages, and now all I've got to do is find out how much it's going to cost to post them, which will probably cost a fortune. It seems to have doubled since the last books I've done, but anyway, so I'll put it on the internet soon so everyone can order what they want, and find out how much it costs to send them off and to wrap them and all that stuff. Okie doke.